Cielito.
And look at the liminal space. It's like the back rooms. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. What is your room number?
502.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's see.
This is a mirror where you can check yourself out like this. Ooh, I'm looking fresh. Here's a plug to charge. Lights you can close.
Right. The birthday boy.
And here's the closet. Let's show. Shoes down here. This is
I think this is sliding.
This is suspiciously big. Or something.
Because this is a family ano eh.
Okay. Here's the TV.
Wow.
And there's drawers you can put your stuff inside. So example, I'm gonna hide the remote from my brother because he's always watching bad stuff. Hide it. I don't watch bad stuff. And then there. So I'll never. You can just hide here.
Okay, what else do we have in here?
We have a bed.
Wow.
Two couches. This room is better than. This room is so better than the.
How about the AC? How's the temp?
Yeah, it's good, but I don't know which temperature. And also,
What do we have in here?
Guys,
Oh, Mom is asking something. What do we have in here?
we have. This is luxury. Also, I'm gonna show you the other room.
Can we check?
Yeah.
Are you the one who will tour us in Grandpa's room?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to Grandpa's room.
Oh, what Grandpa's doing?
Okay. Here the closet is kind of the also here.
But we don't have this one, right? This area we don't have.
There's the sink. Also here.
Oh, they have fridge here.
Two bathrooms. Two chairs.
Okay, let's see our couch. Our bathroom. Come on, let's
Our
go.
bedroom.
Yeah.
I mean bathroom.
Yeah, let's go to the bathroom.
We're going to the bathroom. I'll show you around.
Kayo ng bathroom ito? Oopsie, okay. May go.
Okay. Here is the bathtub.
Oh, we have bathtub here. Oh. There's still water.
Snake. And this is the shower.
Shower?
I'm going to take the bath off.
Wow.
Why can't you see through it? I thought it was going to be blurry. So,
Are we going to take a bath now? Later, after dinner?
now. So,
Check with Mommy because... That's it.
Okay. Chat with them. So, I'm going to take a bath and you can guys chat with them. So, I'll see you. Just welcome guests.
Bye!